Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll briefly show you how to create 2D barcodes for your Amazon FBA box content. After logging into Label Resizer, first select the Shipment menu, then choose 2D Barcode Maker. Next, set the dimensions of your label according to your needs. You can enter your barcode data in two ways, manually or in bulk. Let's start with the manual option. First, enter the shipment ID or PO number of the FBA box. Then, add the box contents, one per row. Each entry should include the item type, item ID, expiration date, and quantity. To add a row, click the plus button. To remove a row, click the trash bin icon. When you click the Get Amazon 2D Barcodes button, your labels will be created as a PDF file. They will be downloaded to your computer and opened in a new browser tab for your convenience. Now let's take a look at the bulk input option. First, make sure you download the spreadsheet template for bulk creation. Open the template and fill in the necessary product information. Each row in the spreadsheet represents one item in your box. Each entry should include the shipment ID or PO number, item type, item ID, expiration date, and quantity. Once you're done, save the file. Then, simply drag and drop your CSV file into the dotted area shown in the bulk input section. After the template is uploaded, your 2D barcode labels will be generated and automatically downloaded to your computer. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.